Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to become familiar with Python 3 on the command line interface. So let's go. Python is the one of the best language. It is a big topic if you are interested in becoming more skillful in Python. There are so many resources on the internet. There are two significant versions of Python are Python 2 and Python 3. Python 3 is the latest version introduced. In my videos, all the programs and codes are work by Python 3. Raspbian Stretchlight has come with two versions of Python. You can know your Python 2 version by typing the code Python version. You can see here my Python 2 version, Python 2.7.9. By using this method, you can also find your Python 3 version by typing Python 3 version. You can see here my Python 3 version, Python 3.4.2. There are two ways to write code on Python. The first one is writing your program in a text file and save it in your file system and execute it. But easier way doesn't involve any text file using text editor. Instead of that, we use Python command line interpreter. Python command line interpreter allows type Python command easily on the command line and execute it immediately. You can write command on command line interpreter by typing the code Python 3. Now you can see here the three arrows, which means that we can start to write commands. We can use Python as a calculator. For example, here I just calculating 1 plus 1. I can see here answer and 25 by 3. You can also calculate arithmetic calculations. Here 25 division by 5. If you need to write command and need to provide instruction to human users, you can use as symbol. Example like this program 25 by 3 ash. This is a division. Now here you can see the result, and after the as symbol, these are the instructions provided to your human users. We can use variable to store result of our calculation. For example, here division underscore result. This is the variable that I created. We can use variable names with an underscore or valid character, no special symbols. Now here in typing 27 by 3. Now here you can see no result has come. It will be stored inside the variable. If you need to see what inside the variable, copy the variable name and hit enter. Here just copying it, just hit. Now you can see here the answer. You can also find by typing print, just copying the variable name, close the bracket. Now you can see here the answer. So by these two methods, you can find the result that's saved in the variable. Now here you can see having used parentheses these two brackets. This is the main difference between Python 2 and Python 3. In Python 2, we have write like this print, just copy the variable name. Sorry. Now here you can see here missing parenthesis. It may confuses. This is the main improvement made in Python 3. In Python 3 include parenthesis to make little bit easier to know what is inside the print. We can also round the decimal place. For that, type the code round bracket variable name comma 2. This 2 means how many decimal places we need. Then close the bracket and now you can see here my rounded answer. Okay guys, next one is string. We can write string by single quotes. For example, here typing an RPI guy. This is called a string. We can store this string in a variable like this str equal to and then copy your string. Now the string is stored in a variable. If you want to see that string, we can type the command str, just enter. Now you can see the string, and also by using the earlier method we can find like print open bracket str close the bracket. By this method we can find the string. These are used to do functions between strings. For example, here print then variable name where I have stored my string, then plus for a blank space having giving a empty single quotes. Now then please subscribe my channel. Sorry, closing the single quote then bracket, and you can see here the result. You can also find the position of a letter by typing the command str3. Now you can see the result. If you need to know two characters between two positions, by typing the command str, then the position between 5 and 8, closing the bracket, and you can see the result. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, hit like button. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.